Is your Instagram account flatlining? You're not alone. Mine was dying just last year, but the good news is today I'm going to show you exactly how I revived mine and the steps I'd take if I were starting from zero in 2024. Yes, these strategies are working and they can work for you too. Hey, if you're new here, I'm Crystal from Brand Locally, and I've been building my personal Instagram since 2022, growing it to over 1,000 followers. But here's the deal. Instagram's algorithm is a whole different beast today, constantly changing. So, whether you're starting from scratch or trying to breathe life into a stagnant account, stick with me. I'm going to break down a step-by-step plan to grow your account from zero. And here's a bonus. If you stay until the end, I'll reveal the one mistake most business owners make on Instagram that could be costing them tens of thousands of dollars. Listen, your time is valuable, so I'll get straight to it. One of my client, Andrew, made $50,000 in a single week by adding Instagram to his sales strategy. Before that, he hadn't made a dime on Instagram, so let's make Instagram work for you too. Step 1. Choose your brand. First up, this might sound simple, but it's deceptively hard. Are you going for a personal brand or a business corporate brand? Here's why this matters. Oprah Winfrey has far more followers than OWN, Oprah Winfrey Network. People connect with Oprah as a person, much more than just her media network. Gary Vaynerchuk has way more followers than VaynerMedia. Gary's personal brand resonates more with people than his marketing agency. Kim Kardashian has significantly more followers than her beauty brand, SKKN. Her personal influence far outweighs the reach of her business ventures. People connect with faces, not faceless brands. So, personal brands tend to grow faster. That's the power of being you. Step 2. Define your foundation. Next, you've got to define your mission, audience, and unique offer. Everything you post will come from this foundation. Be super clear. Who do you help and how? This clarity is key when building an Instagram account. Step 3. Crafting your Instagram bio. Now, it's time to write your Instagram bio. You only get 150 characters, so every word matters. Here's my formula for success. Line 1, who you help and how. For example, I help busy moms get fit in 20 minutes a day. This attracts your target audience while repelling the wrong ones, and that's okay. Line 2, build authority with specifics. Numbers are powerful here. For example, featured in Forbes or coach 300 plus clients. Line 3, a call to action. Give people a reason to click your link. What's in it for them? A discount? A free guide? Make it irresistible. Step 4, start posting content. Once your bio's locked down, jump straight into creating content. Don't wait for followers to start posting. I recommend adding 9 to 12 posts right away to fill up your feed. Think of your content as answers to questions people are already Googling. Instagram works like a search engine, so create reels that answer common questions. Not sure what topics to post? Here's a pro tip. Google your niche, scroll down to the People Also Ask section, and you've got instant content ideas. Step 5. Use B-roll for easy reels. Start simple with B-roll content. Clips of you doing everyday things without talking to the camera. Film yourself having coffee, walking, or working at your desk. Save these clips in a B-roll folder and use them in your reels. This is a great way to ease into creating engaging content. Step 6. Don't chase viral trends. Here's a biggie. Don't stress about going viral. I did an experiment where I posted 12 reels and 3 carousels in 5 days. My engagement went up slightly, but it didn't translate into sales. Quality matters more than quantity. Reach your ideal audience, not just any audience. Step 7. Leverage your DMs. Finally, don't ignore your DMs. The money is made in the DMS. Encourage comments on your posts, then slide into their DMS to start a conversation. You can even automate your DMs using tools like ManyChat, which trigger responses based on certain keywords in comments. This saves you time while keeping the engagement going. Remember, Instagram success isn't about quick wins, it's about building a long-term strategy. Stick with these steps, and you'll be on your way to growing an account that works for you. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments, and I'll be happy to help.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with others. Stay tuned for more updates. Brand locally, easy, and affordable.